Hi, all my gods, my kings, my warriors, my ascended masters. I just uploaded the root chakra mudra. You feel me? We did a meditation for the root chakra. Now we about to do a meditation for your sacral chakra. All right. So for your sacral chakra, you feel me? Have your hand placements on top of each other like this, and your thumbs connect. You feel me? Your thumbs, only your thumbs. You know what I'm saying? My hands is pretty big. You know what I'm saying? So do it however you could, whatever's comfortable, how you can get it done. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get a nice, comfortable spot. All right, that's cool. You feel me? And you can meditate with your eyes open, with your eyes closed. You feel me? When you're meditating, you feel me? I ain't say this in the root chakra video, but I personally meditate with my life force moving all through my body. You know what I'm saying? So, and then I'm powering up. You know what I'm saying? I meditate in similar ways like that as well. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I quiet my mind. Sometimes I focus on my breathing. Whatever's comfortable for you, G. We're gonna do it for 3 minutes. So let's get it. There you go. Continue to live in your natural state. Y'all are powerful. Continue to live in your natural state. Continue to live in your natural state. You got this shit. Stay on the street. It takes one street to change your life. It takes one street to change your life, man. You know what I'm saying? You got this shit. Change your life, bro. You deserve it.